comically turned out to be the farcical enhanced games, where athletes across track and field, swimming, and weightlifting were given the option to use performance-enhancing drugs in what was supposed to be this grand event in Las Vegas. Well, if ever there was an anticlimax, this was it. Think there was a grand total of 1 swimming record for the entire event. In the Blue Ribbon 100-meter events, that exposed the full folly of the project, with the American Fred Kerley winning the men's event in 9.97, with none of the other sprinters in the final breaking 10 seconds. The women's event was worse. Barbadian sprinter Tristan Evelyn won in 11.25, followed by 11.4 and 11.6. Class 2 girls are champs, would have beat them all. But you know what this event confirms though? That it is actually people with talent that run fast and break records in sports, and not junkies. Not junkies!